When adding in a consult note, the default consult note shows your standard reasons for encounter, patient history, examination, and plan. Gentu allows the consult note to be customized per user by going to the little cog found in the top right. Tick or untick the headings required. Click on the plus text field and enter in your own heading. To rearrange, simply click on the 6 dots, then drag and drop as required. Once you have set your consult note template, this will apply for all future consult notes generated for all patients. This is also user-specific. Reasons for encounter is a great way to record and label the types of consults you conduct with patients during their course of treatment. When entering in a consult note, you can select a preset reason from the drop-down, such as new patient, and/or typing in your own reason, so for example, broken clavicle. This will appear in the patient's history as new patient consult, broken clavicle, making it easier to review the patient's history and find certain notes or appointments accordingly. If the reason for encounter is left blank, every consult note in the patient's history will simply be labeled as consultation. To set up preset reasons for encounter, simply navigate to the settings and then reasons for encounter. Press plus add in the top right, enter in the title, and then click on save.